Hey guys, good evening. Myself Nitya. I'm currently pursuing my engineering in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore. Today I'm here to discuss about the reviewing the role of big data analytics in financial fraud detection. This is one research paper. Now I'm giving my presentation about this paper. Let us see in detail about this paper. This research paper delves into the scientific roles of big data analytics in the fight against the financial frauds. It examines the increasing the sophistication of financial crimes and the need of advanced analytics techniques to effectively identify and prevent them. The paper explores various data sources and pre-processes the methods and discusses the key techniques and algorithms for anomaly detections. Now let us see the introduction in that examining the growing threat of financial fraud. Financial fraud has become a pervasive and increasingly sophisticated threat in the digital age. From identity theft and credit card fraud to investment scams and money laundering, the landscapes of financial crime is constantly evolving. The sheer volume and complexity of financial transactions combined with emerging of new technologies have created the fertile ground for fraud. Criminals are leveraging the advanced techniques and including the data breaches and social engineering and artificial intelligence to target the individual's business and financial institutions. This escalating threat necessitates a robust and proactive opportunities to fraud detection and preventions. Now let us see the big data analytics unlocking the potential for fraud detection. Big data analytics as emerging is powerful tool in the fighting against financial fraud. It involves the analysts of vast and diverse datasets to identify the patterns, anomalies, and suspicious activities. By leveraging the power of data, organizations can gain the valuable insights into the fraud behavior, uncover uncover hidden relationships and improving the ability to detect and prevent the financial crimes. Big data analytics can provide a comprehensive view of financial transactions. Now let us see the data sources and pre-processing for financial fraud analysis. The success of big data analytics in fraud detection relies on accessing and effectively utilizing the delivers and data sources. The main three things are internal data, external data, and pre-processing techniques. In internal data, transaction logs, customer profits, security logs. These all come under the internal data. The public records, social media, and credit bureaus comes under the external data. Data cleaning, data transformation, and feature engineering comes under the pre-processing techniques. Now let us see the technologies and the algorithms for anomaly detections. What are the technologies they have used in these papers? Let us see one by one. They have used the SVMs, that is the support vector machines, and also clustering and also statistical outliner detection. The SVMs use it for the supervised learning algorithm that identifies the optimal hyperplan to separate the data points into the different classes. The advantages of this is high accuracy in classifying the prudential transactions. The disadvantage from this is the requires the labeled training data and clustering. These clustering algorithms also they have used in this paper. The description of this is unsupervised. This is unsupervised learning techniques that grows the data points based on their similarities. Advantages are effective for identifying the outliners that do not belong to any clusters. It can be a sensitive. The disadvantages, it can be sensitive to the noise and outliners in the data. Statistical outliner detection. The descriptions are the user's statistical method to identify the data points that deviates the significance from the expected distribution. The relatively simple to implement and interrupt may not be the effective for complete the fraud pattern. This is the disadvantage. Predictive modeling and risk assessment. Predictive modeling plays a crucial role in the financial fraud detection by leveraging the historical data to forecast the future events. Machine learning algorithms such as logistic regression, neural networks, and random forests are used to build the predictive models that assess the risk of the financial transactions. Now, let us see the challenges and limitations of big data analytics for the fraud detection. The challenges they have faced are the data availability and quality, model complexity, and ethical consideration. The data availability and qualities are incomplete. They are inconsistent data which can lead to the inaccurate results. Model complexity, that is, sophisticated algorithms are needed to detect the complex fraud patterns. Ethical consideration, privacy privacy and security must be prioritized. Now let us see the case studies and success stories. First case studies is bank fraud detection. Second success story is credit card fraud prevention. This case study, bank fraud detection case study. Big data analytics helps a bank identify the suspicious patterns in online transactions, leading to a reduction in the financial activities. In credit card prevention, a credit card company used big data to detect the financial applications and reducing the financial applications. Conclusions and the research future research directions are, let us see the features. Big data analytics as emerging as a crucial weapon in the fight against the financial fraud. Now let us see the literature survey. To gain the comprehensive understanding of the role of the big data analytics in the financial fraud detection, a through literature survey conducted. The survey includes the research papers, industrial reports, and the case study published in the reputable journals and the publications. The insights gained from this literature informed the developer of this research papers and provided a valuable consideration for the analysis and conclusion presented here. And this is all about the research paper of big data analytics. And thanks for watching the video, and keep watching the video.